Welcome to Mooring Homes. Today video topic is choosing an elegant room divider. First one is open bookshelf divider. A stylish way to separate rooms while providing storage and display space. Next one is folding screens. Elegant and versatile folding screens can be easily moved to change the room layout. Next one is glass partitions as room divider, perfect for maintaining a sense of openness while defining separate spaces. Next one is wooden slot divider. Sleek vertical wooden slots create a chic minimalist divide. Next one is sliding barn doors. These adds a rustic yet modern touch and can slide open when not in use. Next is metal grid panels. Industrial style dividers that can also be used to hang plants and decor. Next one is curtains as room divider. Simple and flexible curtains allow for an easy and temporary division. Next one is hanging planters. Vertical planters with greenery act as a natural divider, bringing life into the space. Next one is Cretel style dividers. Black framed glass panels offer a trendy industrial aesthetic. Next one is rope divider. Unique and airy rope dividers give a nautical or bow vibe. Next one is mirror divider. These reflects light and make a space feel larger while dividing it. Next one is geometric metal screens. Adds an artistic touch with intricate designs that still allow light to pass through. Next one is fabric panels. Soft textile dividers add warmth and can match the room's design palette.